Hi everyone, I'm Wafalanga and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you're new and not subscribed the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today we have got the second kind of adjective that is known as demonstrative adjective. Now what are demonstrative adjectives? Let's discuss. The definition of demonstrative adjective is those adjectives which are used to indicate or point out a person, place, or a thing are called demonstrative adjectives. See, those adjectives which are used to indicate or point out, to indicate and point out. And the word demonstrate itself means that to point out a person, place, or a thing are called, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives we have already discussed, in your demonstrative pronouns. Today again we will learn their examples and differentiate between the difference between, we will differentiate them and their difference. We will be learning what is difference between demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. See, demonstrative adjectives is defined as that those adjectives which are used to indicate or point out towards the nouns and pronouns. Clear? That can be a person, place, or a thing. Now, or there one thing is there. What was the definition of demonstrative pronouns? If you remember, we learned it in demonstrative pronouns in our previous lecture. That those pronouns which are used instead of nouns to demonstrate them, they are used instead of nouns, but demonstrative adjectives are used to indicate towards nouns. That is the difference. And I had told you two differences, that how can you recognize your demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. The two differences are, by which you can understand that what they are grammatically, whether pronouns or adjectives. So first difference is when you are using this, that, these, those, and they are total four in your in number. Keep in your mind this, that, these, and those is the plural of this, that, these is plural of this, and those is plural of that. There are total four in number. This is used for the near thing, that is singular, and that is for the far thing for singular. These for plural nearer things, and that those is for far things plural. Now see, demonstrative adjectives, first difference, if you are using this, that, these, and those, so after them, as a demonstrative adjective, if you are using them, keep in your mind after them nouns come. These are the nouns which are coming after this, that, these, those. Why? Because an adjective is a word which adds something in the meaning of noun. Over here, this, that, these, those are adding something in the meaning of nouns. But over there, how can you recognize that they are demonstrative pronouns? If after this, that, these, and those, be forms are used, linking verbs which tell us the which connect the subject and complement. Now is, are, am. If is, are, am comes with any word, this, okay, is, are, was, or were comes, so there they will be called pronouns. After be forms, after this, that, these, those, if you are using be forms, they are pronouns. And after this, that, these, those, if you are using adjectives, so those will be your demonstrative adjectives. Clear? Because after them nouns are coming. Second difference, if you are using them in a possessive case, if you are using demonstrative adjectives, so you will use possessive pronouns. See, mine, yours, is, and theirs. And if you are using them as demonstrative pronouns, so you will use the possessive adjective case, not pronoun, like my, your, is, there. So this difference you need to note, then you will be able to understand. And without possessive case, you can also use them. That was the first difference. I told you people that in two ways you can recognize them. Like I told you, after this, that, these, those, if nouns are used, they are demonstrative adjectives. And if after this, that, these, those, be forms are used, then they are demonstrative pronouns. Second difference, if you are using demonstrative adjectives, you need to use possessive pronouns. And if you are using demonstrative pronouns, you need to use possessive adjectives. Now we have got without possession. If after this, that, these, those, this, that, and these, if you are using nouns like person, pen, and ideas, and person, pen, and ideas. So over there they are called adjectives. And after this, that if you are using is, are, and was, and were, is, are, was, and were, so that is known as demonstrative pronouns. So examples are: this car is mine, this is my car, this shirt is yours, this is your shirt, these books are is, these are his books, those cars are theirs, those are their cars, and this person is a criminal, this is a mobile, that pen is blue, that was a lie, these ideas are wrong, these are wrong sentences. Clear? So, hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.